This video is a guide to help make it easier to use your Finale or Finale DX booster. Please be sure to read the complete instruction manual and your vehicle owner's manual, which include important warnings and other information to make sure the seat is properly installed. Before installing the Finale, make sure the shoulder harness is adjusted to the correct height for your child. First, loosen the harness by pressing down on the metal adjuster under the pad on the front of the seat and pulling on the harness straps. Now on the back, take off the harness loops from the metal splitter plate. Then, pull the harness straps through the seat back. Choose the correct harness position based on your child's height. When installing forward-facing, the shoulder harness height must be at or just above your child's shoulders. Rethread the harness straps through the seat back, keeping the belts flat and untwisted. Then, reattach the harness belt loops to the splitter plate, making sure they are all the way on. Before installing the Finale in your car, read your vehicle owner's manual. This contains important warnings and information to make sure the seat is properly installed. Place the car seat in the back seat of your vehicle, making it flush with the vehicle seat back. Loosely attach the tether. In most cars, when the vehicle belt is pulled all the way out, it switches to a locking mode. In that mode, the vehicle belt will tighten and will not loosen. That locking mode will keep a car seat securely in place. Refer to your car owner's manual for how to lock the seat belt for car seat installation. Now, pull the vehicle belt all the way out to switch the retractor and route the vehicle belt through the belt path. Take care not to twist the belt. Buckle the vehicle belt. Tighten the vehicle belt by pushing down on the car seat and pulling the belt up through the car seat, taking up all the slack. After the vehicle belt is tight, tighten the tether strap. Check the install by pushing and pulling the car seat near the belt path. If it does not move more than an inch from side to side, it's good to go. If the seat moves too much, try to pull more slack from the vehicle belt. Or try another seating position in the car. Or try switching to lower anchor belt installation instead. Now you are nearly done. Place your child in the seat and buckle the chest clip and buckle. Tighten the harness by pulling the strap on the front of the seat. Adjust the chest clip so that it's mid-chest, level with your child's armpits. Pinch the harness at your child's shoulders to see if it is tight enough. If it is tight, you will not be able to pinch webbing between your thumb and index finger. If you can pinch material, pull a bit more on the tightening strap on the front of the car seat.